Hello students, today we will start our exercise 12a of the chapter 3-dimensional shapes. So let us see the first question. How many edges does this figure have? So edges are actually, if you know, these are the actually corners, you can say, no, this sides, actually this sides, this one, this one, this one, this one, okay, these are actually the edges. So if you'll count one by one, you'll find on the top only we have 4 edges, okay, and the below also we will have 4 edges. That means bottom also we have 4 edges. Now if you see the sides, we will count this, okay, we will not count this and this, because we have already counted this one. While counting the upper and the base, we have already counted this and this, so we'll count only this, okay. That means on the sides, if you find on including both the sides, you will find 4 edges total, and top and the base or the bottom will have 8 edges total. So 4 plus 8 will give you 12, okay. So 12 total edges you have in this figure. Now let us see, this figure is actually cuboid. Now let us see question number B. Which edges have the same length? You have to find out which edges have the same length. So just see, AB, okay, DC, okay, AB, then DC, then HG, okay, and EF. They have same lengths they have. And now another, you see, BC, okay, FG, then BF and CG, they have same length. Again go to this side, if you go this side, you will find that AD, okay, AE, then DH and HE, they have same lengths, okay. Now let us see question number 3. Name all the edges in the drawing at the right and the faces which intersect to form these edges. So you have to find the name of the faces and one edges also. So let us take first edge as AB. If you are taking AB as the edge, you see this AB is actually made by joining two faces, okay. One face is actually below, you see the one face is below and the one face is the top one. So here we have formed AB, is not it? So that means we should know the name of this face and name of this face as well. So you see, this is D here and this is C here. Now below we have E and F. So the faces which are forming this AB is actually A, B, C, C, D, and another face that is forming is A, okay, B, okay, pen is not writing, A, B, then F, E. So these are the two faces responsible for forming AB. In this manner you will able to find more faces and edges, okay. So let us see question number 2. This drawing shows a cube, okay. Here you see one cube is being shown to you. What is the shape of each face? If you see each face of a cube, they are actually squares. What they are? Squares. So you write square. Now is each edge in this figure of the same length? Okay, this all edges you have to tell, are they same length? Yes, you know the square has same size sides, not it? Their same size sides are there, so therefore this answer will be yes. Now let us see question number 4 directly. Question number 4. One curved surface and one plane surface. One curved surface and one plane surface. Who has this one curved surface and one plane surface? Let us see. Let us see this one. Where is it gone? Okay. Okay, here. So you just check this one. Here we have this, you see, cone. Cone, if you see, it has one plane surface and this one is a curved. Curved means you can say band, okay, band type. So one curved surface. So the answer for that one will be what? Curve. Cone it will be. The answer will be cone. So since the answer will be cone, so we will take it as cone. Okay, so that means answer for Roman number 1 will be cone. Now let us see Roman number 2. One unbroken curved surface. Unbroken curved surface. No, you can say no broken part is there. So it is actually sphere. Sphere is completely like you can say a football or a ball. So it has one unbroken surface. So your answer will be sphere. One curved surface, two plane faces of equal size. So they are telling one curved surface. Okay, one curved surface and two plane faces. You see, cylinder is actually that shape which has two plane surfaces and one curved surface. Okay, so your answer will be for this one, please. Cylinder. Now six square faces. Definitely square faces we just discussed. It is a cube. Now one square base, four triangular faces. One square base, okay, and four triangular faces. It is actually pyramid. If you have seen a pyramid, you know pyramid how it looks like. You can say the shape here also. This is your pyramid. Okay, so now let us see another question. Three rectangular faces, two triangular base of equal size. Okay, three rectangular faces. You see this diagram. This is also one rectangle, this is also one rectangle, and base is also rectangular, and two triangular faces are there. So this is actually a triangular prism. So the answer for this will be triangular prism. Okay, now let us see. Tell whether each of the following figure is a plane figure or a solid figure. You have to find out whether a plane figure or a solid figure. So first of all, you need to understand the difference between the plane and the solid figure. Okay, a plane figure is also known as 2D or two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means having only length and breadth but no thickness. Okay, no thickness. Examples are rectangle, squares. Okay, rectangle, squares, many more are there. Triangle is also one example of such plane figure. Now let us see what is a solid figure. Solid figures have length, breadth and height. Examples are cube, cuboid. Okay, and just now we have discussed this one, triangular, prism. Okay, pyramids. These are all solid figures. Okay, now let us see. So we have to tell whether this is a cube is a solid figure or not. Yes, it is a solid figure because it have length, breadth and height. And then cone, yes, it is also a solid figure because it also have. Okay, now quadrilateral is not a solid figure because quadrilateral means having four sides. Okay, having four sides only. Now circle is also not a what is called solid figure. Then cylinder is a solid figure. Okay, it is a solid figure. Then a triangle is not a solid figure. Then triangular prism is a solid figure. Sphere is a solid figure. Octagon, no, it is not a solid figure. It is not a solid figure. Pyramid, yes, it is a solid figure. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Now let us see question number 6, multiple choice questions MCQ. If a solid shape is completely bounded by plane faces, the least number of faces it may have is, they are telling if there is a solid shape, if you bound it completely from all the sides, the minimum faces you need is actually 4 faces. Without 4 faces you cannot bound anything. Okay, you need 4 faces. What is the shape of each face of a triangular pyramid? So in a triangular pyramid, what is the face of face of each face? You can say shape of each face. The shape of each face is actually triangle because triangular pyramid is made up of triangles only. No, combining the triangles makes a triangular pyramid. Now which solid has the greatest number of faces? Which solid? It is actually cube. Cylinder does not have so many what is called faces. Basically it has 3 faces only, one curved, one and then 2 plane faces down. Okay, 2 plane faces bottom and bottom and top. Then cube is only that one, it will be your answer. Now cricket ball is an example of what? Cricket ball is an example of sphere. Okay, it's a sphere. Let us see question number 10. Answer true or false. Each face of a cuboid has 4 edges. So cuboid has each face of a cuboid has 4 edges. Yes, it's true. A cone has 2 circular faces. A cone has 2 circular faces. No, this is false. A triangular pyramid has 8 edges. No, it is false. Sphere is a solid figure with no edge and no vertex. This is true. A brick has the shape of cube. False. Okay. So this is all for this video. Next exercise we'll discuss in next video.